DK Shivkumar leaving from Siddaramaya's residence. Breakfast meet done, press conference done. The agenda has been very clear. And now, anytime now, we're awaiting those images of DK Shivkumar leaving from Siddaramaya's residence. I'm standing right outside, so we'll get you those first shots as he exits from here. His house, his home, just a few minutes away. There's a possibility that DK Shivkumar after this will also head straight to the airport and head to Delhi. He was asked about it in the press conference and he said that there's a lot of business, especially with the upcoming parliament session. We want to discuss with members of parliament what needs to be brought up for Karnataka's welfare. He seems to suggest that it's not just him, that Siddaramaiah too will be making his way to Delhi and that this was agreed upon, that he needs to be in the national capital immediately. That seems to be setting the stone and the stage for DK Shivkumar to head to Delhi later today. We're just standing by for those images right now of DK Shivkumar as he's expected to exit from here, from the Chief Minister's residence. This was a meeting. The breakfast meet alone lasted about 45 minutes. And then after that, a press conference of about 30 minutes. It's been a day where finally Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar have said that we're going to end all of the suspense over whether we're together, whether we're one front or not. They maintain that all that's happened is confusion created by the media. That's what Siddaramaiah says. But he says that we are united. The only reason we decided to come together and have this conversation is also, okay, we're cutting across to those images there. DK Shivkumar right now leaving. Now we'll have to see if he's willing to give a word or two, give a bite to the media. Looks unlikely because at this point also he is headed back to his residence after a detailed press conference. He said all that he has to say. He said very clearly that we are a united front. The High Command will decide. Essentially, if you look at it from the press conference, this is exactly what both Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar have been maintaining. They've been maintaining before the media, High Command will decide, nothing else is happening. I'm in no hurry is what DK Shivkumar has said. But it's behind the scenes that you've been constantly seeing this non-stop fighting, all of this tussle, this war of words, literally, and so much more. And there's no doubt about it that that continues even going forward. Nothing changes with that particular meeting, except that the attempt is to tell the opposition, look, this is none of your business. You cannot gain any political mileage out of any of the problems or this tussle that's happening over the Chief Minister. And that is the messaging here. They're attempting to stop this opposition narrative that governance has taken a backseat. And it's important that they do it because also in a week from now is when the assembly session in Belagavi kicks off. And they don't want to go into the session on the back foot on this particular issue, which is why that press conference has just happened. So Naga, we've just seen DK Shivkumar leaving. Is he headed to Delhi for sure today?
At this point of time, that's what I was speaking to his office, that most likely he's going to Delhi is what we are told. He just made his way from the Chief Minister's residence. He's gone back to his home, was what we are told. We have Apurva there at DK Shivkumar's residence. We'll be getting more information, more likely in next few minutes as to what his schedule for the day is. What we are picking up from our sources is that he was quite happy after today's meeting that at least he had a confirmation that whatever the High Command decides, the Chief Minister will not rebel and he will abide by it. The CM himself told DK Shivkumar that I'm not going to rebel, I will do whatever it takes and listen to the High Command. But for CM, he thinks that High Command is with him. DK Shivkumar thinks the High Command is with him. So we have to wait and watch what transpires in the Delhi meeting between Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi as well. But DK Shivkumar is all set to go to Delhi today in the pretext of having a meeting with all the parliament members for Mekedatu as well as the crop issue. But he is going to meet for his personal agenda to get to meet to all the AICC leaders who he thinks are the key stakeholders, to put pressure on them to ensure that his argument is taken across all the way to the AICC headquarters. But he's quite upbeat after today's meeting. Even though they made up a diplomatic statement that they are together, he feels that the CM is convinced if at all the command comes from the Congress office, he will not be rebelling, is what DK Shivkumar feels.
That's for now. That's the messaging for now, at least. But what this also seems to indicate, I could be wrong here, Naga, but to me it seems almost like, you know, the pause button has been pressed. That tomorrow, yes, there's going to be a High Command meeting, but the High Command is in no tearing hurry to address this crisis, and so it could take time. In the meanwhile, the message is very clear that Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar have to continue working together, have to continue with business as usual and not get into this kind of bickering.
And we have told that DK Shivkumar has reached his residence and is walked into his own house, personal residence in Sadashinagar, and he was on a phone call when he entered and he was talking alone is what we are told.
Okay, I don't know what Whether we should read into that, what we should read about it, about who he was talking to, was it getting support from MLAs, maybe speaking to the High Command, maybe just a personal call. We don't know about that just yet. I wonder if Apurva is with us. We'll connect with her as well for that update. She's at DK Shivkumar's residence. She was standing by when he left, when he said, I will talk to all of you later. I'm going in for that meeting, and now going back. You know, it's all about the body language. DK Shivkumar speaking on the phone, entering back into his home. There's a possibility that later today he's catching a flight headed directly to Delhi, which is what I meant, that this press conference changes nothing. It changes nothing about the ambitions, it changes nothing of the aspirations, it changes nothing of DK Shivkumar's want to become the Chief Minister very soon. At no point was there a statement from DK Shivkumar where he said that Siddaramaiah will continue till 2028 as the Chief Minister. That wasn't mentioned at all. At no point did Siddaramaiah say, DK Shivkumar doesn't want to be the Chief Minister any longer, I will continue. He didn't say that either. And that tells you that the middle ground is to ensure the government is running. The middle ground is to ensure the opposition doesn't have a talking point. That is the middle ground between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. The difference is still very much there, that both of them want to be Chief Minister. Siddaramaiah wants to complete his term, DK Shivkumar wants to take over now. And so on that, the only patch-up that can be made is by the High Command. They say as of now, they are united. They're saying whatever the High Command says, we will adhere to. But you never know in politics. Never say never. Because in the next few minutes maybe, the next few days, the next few hours, if the High Command comes up with a decision that isn't suitable maybe to a DK Shivkumar or that isn't suitable to a Siddaramaiah, only then will we actually know what kind of reaction will come in. They both want to play their cards right by the High Command right now, because ultimately it is this High Command that will take a decision that will seal their fate. And so both of them will want to ensure that any instruction that comes, they go over and above to keep the High Command happy. So much so that maybe DK Shivkumar is also headed for that very exact reason right now to the national capital. Now they are saying that it is for a slew of meetings. He said Siddaramaiah may also join him. Naga, is there any confirmation on that, or whether Siddaramaiah is headed to Delhi?
Chief Minister is not heading to Delhi today. He has his own personal meetings in Bengaluru is what we are told. Chief Minister will go to Delhi only if there is official communication from the Congress High Command. He feels that he has to be here and prepare for the assembly session that is coming up in Belgaum, and he has a lot of official government meetings that is scheduled on Monday as well, and hence if there is official communication, only then he would go to Delhi. He has nothing to fight for at this point of time. He feels that I'm already sitting in the chair, so why should I unnecessarily go to Delhi and then make my case?